So one invention can change everything. One discovery changed everything. So one can change a lot. In fact, one can change everything. Hi, this is Jayant Verma, and in the next 10 minutes, I will tell you a path-breaking product that will redefine the way India invests. Let me begin with an interesting incident that led us to this moment. One fateful day after starting Market Milestone, I got a call on my number. And by the way, my personal number is our call center. The person on a phone call was a soldier, and he excitedly told me how this was his first phone call in weeks. In fact, he was waiting for his mobile to enter in the coverage area so that he could talk to me. Why would a soldier call me? It's then he told me how our content on Market Milestone helped him in changing his investment habits and save him from a financial disaster. His trust, his joy give us a purpose. That one moment defined our mission. So we want Indians invest intelligently and grow financially. But how do you satisfy the needs of a nation with a 1.4 billion people? How do you create something which adds value to the everyone's life? How do you create something that delights everyone? After months of planning, scrapping, and then replanning, we finally think we have the answer. So today, the way you invest will change forever. I know it's a bold statement, but in Market Milestone, we always believe to take the bold steps and push the boundaries of what's possible. What if there was a virtual investment manager who understood you, just like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, understand you and recommend things you like and make your life easier every day? Imagine there was a virtual assistant who helped you to get rid of your loans and EMI, help you in getting your dream house in next 10 years, help you retire in the age of 45. So ladies and gentlemen, introducing the marketmilestone.in, your clever investment manager. You need stock ideas, it has it. Mutual fund recommendation, of course. Retirement plans, insurance, goal planning, oh, it has it too. Market Milestone is scientifically designed to understand the three things about you before rolling out any suggestions. More about your present financial situations, your temperament, and your goals and needs, so that everything it then suggests is tailor-made for your needs. And since it is backed by the technology, it is not biased and it is 100% committed to serving all of you equally. Starting today, you will never invest in wrong way. But today, we are not changing one thing. So we want to change the everything. Since this change had already begun, so let's change the way India learn finance and investing. So do you know over a 50 lakh student appear in CBSE class 10th examination? So think 50 lakh student who all read the same books, the same poems and the same formula. But these 50 lakh peoples are not the same. Their aptitude are different. Their speed are different. Sadly, our education doesn't adjust according to the needs of an individual or a person. Secondly, our attention span, it reduced. But academic and educational content creator had not accepted this reality. That means bulky, boring and never-ending courses that no one consumes. The solution, so introducing courses by Market Milestone, India's quickest and personalized way to learn the finance and learn investing. It has features like sprint and bite-sized courses so that you can choose what you want to learn without wasting your attention span on irrelevant topics. So learn something new in seconds. And financial IQ, competitive learning at its best. So unique learning path designed for different needs. All of us are different, but investment courses you bought did not change according to your needs. Milestone respects your uniqueness and carves out a distinct experience for you because you are one of a kind. Since everything is changing, so let's change one more thing. So you can't learn cricket by reading books. So you need a bat in your hand. Same is the case with investing. Investing is more about practice. No matter how many books you read, if you can't find the right information about the stock, can't make the right judgment. But sadly, most stock analysis platforms are designed by IT engineers, but not the investors. That is why whether you are checking the IT company or a bank or NBFCs, it would would still show you exact same data and the exact same ratios. This is why we are introducing Ticker by Market Milestone. It is built for flexibility, which consists of intrinsic value calculator, DCF, fundamental deep down analysis. It automatically customizes the data and ratios according to the company you analyze. For example, if it is a bank, it will highlight its NPA and the capital adequacy. It is built by an investor, so it understands your needs. We know how frustrating a spreadsheet could be, so we have built automatic valuation tools like DCF, so you never need any spreadsheet again. Ticker is unique in the sense which inspire from your daily life. It's made keeping you in mind, and of course we know your fascination for IPOs. Introducing IPO page with updated subscription status, gray market premium, and all the news you need. We are also making Ticker social. What other are searching, in which stock other are investing, and what they are tracking, so you always know what's hot. So we told you it's built you in mind. But wait, here is the biggest problem of them all. There are more than 5,000 listed company in Indian stock exchange. So through Ticker, here how we help you pick the right stock. First, we help you in identify the right stock with various features, with brand search, super investor, and etc. Then we help you in analyzing that stock. Then we also help you in tracking that stock. So here we are with Courses, Ticker, and Select, three world-class products that are built with the aim to provide you everything to succeed financially. But I have told you we have changed everything today, and we will be bold today, very, very bold. So ladies and gentlemen, introducing you revolutionary, the Market Milestone. With Market Milestone, our mission was simple: making a positive impact on every Indian's life. So ease of use is most important brief given to our teams, and our product team, they spent sleepless nights ensuring all our products in Market Milestone are absolutely easy to use for everyone. Ease of use also means that these products are easy to subscribe, which means there could be a simple subscription model, and then this product should be integrated, because it makes no sense to integrate this product under one subscription if they do not talk to each other. So Ticker give stock market data to the Courses, and Courses give stock market data to the Select, and there are dozens of such integrations. In fact, our second brief to the team was to make this product accessible not just to the HNIs or businessmen, but also to the college students, fresh graduates, and homemakers, because our mission was incomplete. Vast majority of Indians are unable to experience these magical products. This also means everyone is equal. No special package to the HNIs, no differentiation, and no compromise on features based on pricing plans. For us, whether you are worth 1,000 crore rupees or 1,000 rupees, you are one, and for us, you are equally important. That means you get personalized or comprehensive financial plan and 15 plus stock and mutual fund recommendation on courses on mutual fund, and more courses coming soon every month. 5,000 plus companies, IPOs, screeners, and super investors on Ticker. You get all of this by one step of milestone with Market Milestone, with an unbelievable price, with a 1,999 a month. But didn't I told you we go bold, very bold? So let's reduce this price by 50%, because I don't like this one in the beginning. So you get all of this at unbelievable price of just 999 rupees a month. How's this for a pricing? But we told you we will go really bold. So let's reduce this price to the 50%, and you get your milestone at 499 rupees a month. 3 great products, 1 simple subscription, 1 single price, and unlimited access. We have told you milestone changes everything.